Football. Team sport played with a round ball, using feet to score goals. Example: I love playing football with friends.
I love playing football with friends.
Football is a popular team sport.
Football is a popular team sport.
Let's have a friendly football match.
Let's have a friendly football match.
He scored a goal in football.
He scored a goal in football.
They practiced football all afternoon.
They practiced football all afternoon.
Our team won the football game.
Our team won the football game.
She watches football matches every weekend.
She watches football matches every weekend.
Football requires teamwork and strategy.
Football requires teamwork and strategy.
Football players wear protective gear.
Football players wear protective gear.
He dreams of becoming a football star.
He dreams of becoming a football star.
American football. Contact sport with two teams aiming to advance and score touchdowns. Example: American football is a contact sport.
American football is a contact sport.
They play American football on Sundays.
They play American football on Sundays.
American football uses helmets and pads.
American football uses helmets and pads.
American football teams compete in leagues.
American football teams compete in leagues.
Fans cheer loudly during American football games.
Fans cheer loudly during American football games.
American football involves strategic plays.
American football involves strategic plays.
American football has 4 quarters per game.
American football has 4 quarters per game.
American football is a popular game.
American football is a popular game.
Coaches play a crucial role in American football.
Coaches play a crucial role in American football.
American football players train for matches.
American football players train for matches.
Basketball. A team ball game that uses only the hands. Example: Basketball is a fast-paced team sport.
Basketball is a fast-paced team sport.
The players wear basketball jerseys and shorts.
The players wear basketball jerseys and shorts.
Basketball games have 4 quarters.
Basketball games have 4 quarters.
He's the star of the basketball team.
He's the star of the basketball team.
They practiced basketball skills all afternoon.
They practiced basketball skills all afternoon.
Basketball requires teamwork.
Basketball requires teamwork.
She dreams of playing professional basketball.
She dreams of playing professional basketball.
The basketball court is made of hardwood.
The basketball court is made of hardwood.
Basketball is popular worldwide.
Basketball is popular worldwide.
Baseball. Bat and ball game with bases, pitching, and fielding to score runs. Example: Baseball is America's favorite pastime.
Baseball is America's favorite pastime.
They play baseball in the park.
They play baseball in the park.
Baseball games have 9 innings.
Baseball games have 9 innings.
Baseball players wear gloves and caps.
Baseball players wear gloves and caps.
He caught the baseball with skill.
He caught the baseball with skill.
Baseball teams compete in leagues.
Baseball teams compete in leagues.
The coach trains the baseball team.
The coach trains the baseball team.
She dreams of playing professional baseball.
She dreams of playing professional baseball.
Baseball diamonds have bases and dugouts.
Baseball diamonds have bases and dugouts.
Baseball requires teamwork.
Baseball requires teamwork.
Tennis. A game in which rackets are used to hit a small ball over the center net. Example: Tennis is a racket sport played worldwide.
Tennis is a racket sport played worldwide.
They play tennis on grass courts.
They play tennis on grass courts.
Tennis matches consist of sets and games.
Tennis matches consist of sets and games.
They practice tennis techniques daily.
They practice tennis techniques daily.
Tennis requires quick reflexes.
Tennis requires quick reflexes.
The coach provides valuable tennis tips.
The coach provides valuable tennis tips.
They played a thrilling tennis match.
They played a thrilling tennis match.
Tennis balls are fuzzy and bouncy.
Tennis balls are fuzzy and bouncy.
Tennis is a great way to stay active.
Tennis is a great way to stay active.
Volleyball. Team sport, with a net, players hit a ball over it to score points. Example: Volleyball is a popular team sport.
Volleyball is a popular team sport.
They play volleyball on sandy beaches.
They play volleyball on sandy beaches.
Volleyball matches are exciting to watch.
Volleyball matches are exciting to watch.
Volleyball games have sets and rallies.
Volleyball games have sets and rallies.
Fans cheer loudly during volleyball matches.
Fans cheer loudly during volleyball matches.
She dreams of playing professional volleyball.
She dreams of playing professional volleyball.
They practiced volleyball skills all afternoon.
They practiced volleyball skills all afternoon.
Volleyball requires teamwork.
Volleyball requires teamwork.
The volleyball net divides the court.
The volleyball net divides the court.
Volleyball is a fun and active sport.
Volleyball is a fun and active sport.